You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names of famous places around the United States. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel to learn more about those. How do you say it? Pierre, South Dakota. Pierre, from French originally, French for Peter, said in French Pierre, Pierre, but in English Pierre, Pierre, South Dakota. More videos here on how to pronounce more names of famous places around the US that many get confused by. You won't anymore after watching this. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.